Thank you. I would never be able to dance this well without my dear magic pet, Soundbird.
Oh, thank you. With Soundbird's magic power, it can sound like anything it wants.
Yes, including music. I am so happy to have him.
Not in my city! Ugh, that's Police Officer Freeze! Run!
I'll have to write you a ticket.
Oh, remember that time you went with Police Officer Freeze, Morphle? It was so funny.
That's not Police Officer Freeze, Yorn.
I am a magic pet. It's so cute, Stein. That sounds just like me.
Yeah, let's steal it, Yorn.
What? I'm sure you can't just steal me.
What do you want to do with it, Stein?
First, we take care of Officer Freeze. I have just the plan.
Officer Freeze, don't turn around. It's me, the mayor.
What? Why can't I?
There is no time. The mountain giant is committing heinous crimes.
Oh, no. What did he do?
He is moving rocks without a permit.
Oh, no. That's a crime if I ever heard one. I'll get you, mountain giant!
You got him good, Stein.
Yeah, with Soundbird in the Bandit Mobile, we can use its powers ourselves. And now, it's time for the second part of our plan.
Whew, playing is hard work. I'll ask Daddy if we can have some ice cream. Ice cream! Hey, Morphle, I have some ice cream. I'm behind you. But don't look. Let's play a game. Hooray! Morphle, I like the game. Great. Okay, close your eyes and follow my voice. Keep going straight. Now turn right a bit. Keep going. Huh? Where is he going? And stop. Okay, we're almost at the ice cream. Ice cream! But to get the ice cream, I need you to morph into a wrecking ball. Ha-ha! Now smash the door of the bank, Morphle. Ha-ha-ha-ha-ha! Mila acting all weird. No, I'm not. Just smash the door of the bank. No! Morphle no believe Mila rob a bank. Bandits! Smash the doors, Morphle. No, don't smash the door of the bank, Morphle. Mila!
Uh-oh.
Morphle, use your wrecking ball to smash the button on the bandit mobile. Yeah! Thank you, Morphle.
We've lost. Let's flee, Yorn.
Okay, Stein.
That wasn't me.
Ice cream!